Nuxt version 4.4 is here, and it's a big one. Introducing createUseFetch and createUseAsyncData. You can now build custom instances of your data fetching composables with your own default options. Define your base URL once, add interceptors, and use them exactly like useFetch. Fully typed, everywhere. We've upgraded to Vue Router version 5. This is the first major router upgrade since Nuxt 3, removing the dependency on unplugin Vue Router. For most apps, it's a transparent upgrade, and typed routes are coming out of experimental next. Layout props are now fully typed. Pass props directly to your layouts from definePageMeta. No more provide inject workarounds. Your layouts become truly parameterized per page with full autocomplete. Accessibility gets a boost with useAnnouncer. Announce dynamic content changes to screen readers, perfect for form submissions, loading states, and search results. Just call polite or assertive from anywhere, and route generation just got 28 times faster in development. We've migrated to unrouting using a trie-data structure. Changes that don't add or remove pages are nearly instant. That's Nuxt v 4.4.0. Upgrade today at nuxt.com.